Hi, we have created our project schedule in the previous lectures. In this lecture, we will talk about the results. This is, we will take a look at the critical path of our project and we will make some comments on this path. By default, we cannot see the critical path of our project. We need to make it visible. First of all, be sure that you are in the Gantt chart view. Now, let's click on the Format tab, which contains the Gantt chart tools. Here, in the bar styles group, there are three checkboxes: critical tasks, slack, and late tasks. To make the critical path visible, we need to click on the critical tasks checkbox. As you see, some of the bars became red. Let me extend the window a little bit. By default, these red bars represent the critical tasks of our project. Any delay on these tasks will result delay on all of the project. If you want to see the critical path only, we can use the filtering feature of Microsoft Project. If you click on the View tab, here in the Data group, you will see the filtering option. Right now, there is no filter applied. Let's click on the filter box. Here, as you see, there are some filtering options available. Click on Critical. As you see, in the Gantt chart, only the critical tasks in the critical path are visible. Okay, let's change the filter from critical to no filter and click on the Format tab again. Generally, we planning engineers want to see the slack of each task. We can do it by adding the slack columns. Let's add total slack and free slack columns nearby the work column. Let's add the total slack column. Now, let's add the free slack column. When tracking our project, we will need both of these columns for being able to make comment on tasks. We will talk about it later in the following lectures. Here, under the Critical Tasks checkbox, there is the Slack checkbox. If we click on that, now we are able to see the free slack of each task in the Gantt chart view. For example, free slack of second floor plastering works of building A is 1 day, and here in the Gantt chart we can see it as a line. I will uncheck this checkbox again. So that's it on critical path for now. I will see you in the next lecture.